And what are you picking up? My finger's on fire, or there's a pin in my finger, it hurts. Okay? So the neuron of, your sense of touch that picks this up is called the receptor neuron, or the concept of reception. So you receive the information, okay, and in this case, through the skin, okay, and we say here the receptor neuron, which is supposed to be this green little thing here technically, but this whole idea here, okay, takes that information, my finger is being stuck or my finger is being burnt, and converts the information into an impulse. Okay, so step one is called reception. You're receiving whatever the information is. I'm on fire, I'm sticking, okay? Step two, the information goes into the cord, what? Oh, wait, I'm sorry. It doesn't help you people, but let's point it the way it should look, okay? The information goes in what? Through the dorsal root, sensory root, ingoing. Here's your dorsal root ganglion. By the way, look at the shape of this neuron. It is a unipolar neuron. It only has one connection there. Okay, so step two is dorsal root, or sensory root, ingoing. Step three is this neuron that connects the two together. This is your association or accessory neuron. It's also called the integration neuron because step three of the reflex arc is called integration. Okay, let's talk about integration. Okay, at this point from your incoming sensory dorsal root, okay, you have received the information, the spinal cord has received the information that my finger is on fire or my finger is being stuck. Okay, the cord will send the information up to the brain. Remember those ascending sensory tracts from the cord into the brain? So your brain will know my finger's, hurting, it's being stuck or it's on fire. Okay, and if you want to slow this down into slow motion, your brain will say, gee, my finger's on fire. What shall I do? I think I will take my finger out of the fire. Okay? We all know this happens very rapidly, but in slow motion, this is what's happening. Okay? Your brain thinking about this and making that decision is called integration. Integration is really a fancy way of saying thinking. Thinking. Okay? All right. However, because this is danger, you don't want to keep your finger in that flame for 10 hours because you won't have a finger left. Okay? The cord doesn't wait for the brain to integrate. This neuron that connects, over here, association or accessory neuron, does the integration for the brain. And this neuron doesn't really do thinking. All it does to make you get your finger out of the flame quicker is your impulse goes in through the dorsal sensory root, through this neuron, and out the ventral motor root. Okay? So by connecting the dorsal root to the ventral root, it's almost speeding up. The brain knows your finger's on fire, but it's not waiting for the brain. You want it to go quicker, okay? And that's why we say this is a reflex reaction, okay? And it's called the reflex arc because if you look at it from this point of view, you're making an arc, okay? So here's your neuron that's doing the so-called integration. It's not really thinking, okay? But then the impulse goes out through your multipolar. Notice it's multipolar, okay? Ventral root motor neuron is your fourth step. And this neuron goes to your finger muscle or your arm muscle, and you pull your finger out of the flame, or you pull your finger away from the pin that's sticking you, and that's the reflex arc. Now we all know that happens very quickly. Oh, I burnt myself. It's